When we talk with our clients about the different functions they need in their kitchen, these clients love coffee. So one thing that we wanted to make sure to include was a coffee station. So this is a coffee and espresso machine. And what we ended up doing was giving them a lift up hinge cabinet right here so they can have all of their coffee accessories right within reach. And then also very easily accessible is the drawer where they keep a lot of their teas, and their mugs are right below there. So this is all very custom designed for clients who love coffee.